Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to sign out on your Arattai mobile application. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So, how to sign out on Arattai application? I'm just going to show step-by-step guide. So first of all, open your Arattai application. After opening the Arattai application, click on the three dot option on the top. Now you just need to click on the setting option. After clicking on the setting option, you just need to click on the option called accounts. So after clicking on the accounts, you have the option here called sign out. Just click this and here you have the pop-up for confirmation. Are you sure you want to sign out? You can just click on the sign out. Yeah, it can place here, but they place inside the account section. Here the sign out option on your Airtel chat application. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet in the next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day.